This video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple accounts on your TikTok app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you already have a TikTok account and you wish to add an extra one, it's pretty simple. Just go to your TikTok app and then tap on profile down below here. Now on your profile, you should be able to see your profile details. Go ahead and click on these three lines and then choose settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see this option switch account. If you have another account already added, you can switch between the two accounts or multiple accounts. However, if you wish to add a new one, go ahead and tap on add account. And then I'll proceed and continue with Google. Choose the Google account you wish and then enter your birth details and then click continue. Here, go ahead and give your name that you wish to use and click on continue. Now you can go ahead and edit or make any edits on your account as you wish and start adding bio information as well as your photo and anything that you wish to include. So that's how you can create multiple accounts on TikTok. Should you want to switch between accounts, you can just follow the same process and now choose the account that you wish to switch to. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.